If you're looking for a simple and secure way to store credit cards and notes in a password manager, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to safely save your sensitive information using a password manager and why it's the best solution to keep things secure. Stick with me until the end to learn how to protect your data and get an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using. Let's get started. First, open your password manager. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. I'll drop a link in the description to an exclusive free trial of our software, just for you, my viewers. Now, let's go over how to store credit cards and notes securely. To store a credit card, you'll need to go to the section where you can add new entries. This usually looks like a plus sign or a new entry button. From there, choose the option to add a credit card or something similar. You'll be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Some password managers even allow you to upload a photo of your card if that's easier for you. Remember to double check everything for accuracy before saving. Once entered, your credit card information is securely stored and encrypted in your password manager. This means, even if your account is hacked, they can't access your sensitive details without the proper decryption key. The beauty of using a password manager is that you never need to worry about writing this information down again. Next, let's talk about storing notes. Notes could include things like account numbers, important reminders, or private details that don't fall under typical login credentials. To store these, simply go back to the New Entry section of your password manager, but this time select Note or Secure Note. This will allow you to add text notes with a title and body content. You can add whatever you need here, like login reminders, secure passwords you don't want to forget, or even things like your Wi-Fi password. And just like your credit card information, these notes are encrypted and protected by your master password. It's a simple, safe way to keep all your sensitive info in one spot. So, to recap, storing credit cards and notes in a password manager is incredibly easy and secure. Add a credit card by entering the card details into the appropriate section, and for notes, just select the note option and add your information. Both are encrypted, making them safe from unauthorized access. The key takeaway here is that using a password manager is one of the best ways to protect your sensitive information, including credit cards and personal notes, while keeping everything easily accessible. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. It's a great way to get started and protect your data with ease. Thanks for watching.